2024 Mazda CX-90 SUV first look, going upmarket. The new CX-90 looks classy and sophisticated and offers inline-six and plug-in hybrid engines. In recent years, Mazda has attempted to move upmarket, placing itself between mainstream and luxury automakers. Whether or not that mission is fully baked, the new 2024 Mazda CX-90 is the latest Mazda vehicle to push the idea, as it brings new powertrains and an upscale design. The 2024 CX-90 SUV will replace the CX-9 when it goes on sale this spring, and it will become Mazda's flagship as it expands its SUV lineup. Under the hood. Like all other Mazdas, the 2024 CX-90 was engineered under the influence of the company's Feel Alive philosophy. To that end, the CX-90 introduces two all-new powertrains for North America. The standard engine is a 3.3-liter turbocharged inline-six that delivers 340 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque using a mild hybrid system Mazda says provides efficiency without sacrificing performance. This is Mazda's most powerful engine to date and one that will distinguish the CX-90 from its main competitors.
340 horsepower, 369 pound-feet of torque from a 3.3-liter inline six-cylinder turbo with a 48-volt mild hybrid.
And what about the plug-in?
323 horsepower, 369 pound-feet of torque from a 2.5-liter four-cylinder plug-in hybrid.
The optional engine is an eSkyActiv plug-in hybrid that uses Mazda's 2.5-liter four-cylinder mated to an electric motor and a 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery delivering 323 horsepower and 369 lb-ft. Mazda has used the plug-in hybrid powertrain around the world in other models like the CX-90, but this is the first time we'll see it for sale in North America. Both engines will use a new 8-speed automatic transmission designed specifically for electrified and longitudinally oriented powertrains, and as we mentioned previously, all-wheel drive is standard across the board. With 12.3-inch infotainment screen atop the dashboard should be easy for drivers to view, and we appreciate the presence of physical buttons for the climate system and radio. The long dashboard highlights the cabin's clean design, and the center console has an airy feel thanks to the short shifter handle and ideally placed radio controls. Mazda is saving most of its tech talk for a later date, but the CX-90 gets an all-digital instrument cluster with cool graphics, plus welcome USB ports for third-row passengers. A smart rear-view mirror will also be available on higher trims. Step inside 2024 Mazda CX-90. Just like the exterior, the 2024 Mazda CX-90's interior is elegant and refined. Its designers focused much of their attention to the quality and types of materials employed. One of the CX-9 examples we saw in person featured a distinctive fabric along the dashboard, inspired by handbook binding and a Japanese weaving technique known as kumihimo. Nappa leather, wood, chrome, two-tone fabrics, and contrast stitching are found throughout the cabin and stand out as pieces of chic and stylish design. The 2024 Mazda CX-90 doesn't overcome all of the CX-9 shortcomings, including the cramped third row, but it seems poised to do an excellent job distinguishing itself from competitors. Its design stands out even in swanky neighborhoods, and its powertrains promise to deliver strong performance and a dynamic driving experience. Pricing hasn't been announced, but we expect the 2024 Mazda CX-90 to start around $42,000 and peak just shy of $60,000 when it hits the market this spring.